In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a resume on Overleaf. So firstly, open up Overleaf, go to their website and log into your account if you have an account. So once you're logged in here, so you'll get to this page here. Okay. So here, what we're going to do, you're going to select these browse templates option here. Click on browse templates. Click on this option and then this will show you all the available templates. So from the available templates here, we're going to look for resumes or CVs from the categories. Okay, so just look for it like here. There you go, you have CVs and resumes. So just click on resumes, click on it, and then this will show you a resume here. So now what we're going to do is scroll down and then you're going to choose any of the one that you think will be suitable for you or something that you like, which you think will be better for you. So based on your preference, you just select any template here. Okay, so just choose any template here. So for example, let's say I will take this one here. So for example here, so just click on it. So click on the template and then open it up, and then if you've decided to use that template, so all you have to do is click on open as template. Okay, click on open as template and it will now open with the on the editor here, where you'll be able to edit this template. Okay, so once you get to the editor here, you'll get to this screen here. So your left side is the page. So this is the main page here. That's the left side here. And this is the code editor where we're going to edit with our personal details here. So once you edit here, it will be reflected here on the output, which is that screen here. You will see that here. So all you have to do here is simply fill in the blanks, replace these words and fill in with your details. Okay, like for the name and all those things. So for example here, okay, so just what you have to do is simply like use this and then plug in all these details here. So from here, so if you scroll all the way down here, you can simply edit these codes here. So for example, the name here, the name here, we're going to replace it and change it with your name. So you just simply click on it and then delete it. Okay, delete it and then put in your name. Okay, replace it with your name, and then the same thing with all other details like the description, skills, title, everything. You just have to replace it with your details. Once you have replaced it, and it will like reflect here on this section here. And then once you're satisfied with your resume and you're done with it, all you have to do is click on this download here option. Click on the download option and you will download the PDF copy of it. And that's how you create the resume.